Hey, them chips good though, for real.
With dab of ranch. With dab of ranch.
They on fire. Yes.
Alright. We just got the second shake. I could not get my milkshake out of my drink. Kelly anyway, she eating food. I didn't want food. Or I wanted food, but I don't want to pay money for food. See my dilemma.
Oh, shit.
But we got this little thing we're gonna do tonight. Friday night, baby. Guess what we're doing? We're not going out. Slime.
No, stop.
What?
What you're going?
God, I know what I'm doing. She thought I was about to go. I ain't going. Okay, we're gonna do this slime thing, bitch. It's gonna be fun. Probably not. It's probably gonna be stupid as fuck, but we're gonna try it anyways. I can't do that shit. I'm driving. Yeah. You got your books? Yeah. For what? Oh, she wants me to read her paper because I'm a teacher. No. It's just because I had Miss Smith last semester, so I can tell her what to cheat. Honey, I'm home. Oh, shit. I told you to catch the paper. No, you didn't. I need grip it. No. No, I didn't plan on it. No, I'm broke. I don't want to go anyways. Ah! You can legs. Get me down. Please get me down. Please get me down.
Hey, play your guitar for the camera.
Sing me a song. Ready? I love Papa. Yeah. Yeah. Me, no emotion. She's mad 'cause she can't have her slime.
You can have it after we get done.
We just have to make it first is all.
No, I want my book.
What?
Oh no, it's stuck. It's
There's nothing there. That's camouflage.
Exactly, there's nothing there. Now
There's
your book.
I'm so confused right now. Okay, this is what we have.
What do you want?
Slime.
My very own slime.
Slime creations. Textured slime. Sticky, icky. Glow in the dark. I didn't even see that part. Includes everything you need. It better. It says the same thing back here. It's like not anything. So I guess we gotta open it.
Brandon, we look at
Here, whatever. Oh, it's gonna be backwards, isn't it?
Don't matter.
Okay.
Ooh, we got powder.
It's already stuck to the box.
Wow, that's what you give for spending $5 on.
It's really stuck. At the back of it. I hope there's like enough to like actually play with it. God, you see that? That was like so hard to get off.
Like that.
Wow.
It's warm, not hot.
I'm kind of scared to open this because I mean it's gonna go everywhere.
Oh,
But we're so poor we keep the oven on as a heater.
baking cookies.
Swear to God, we keep the oven on while we're gone.
Yeah, I do it too. Mom keeps our house cold. Okay, got rich nuts. Okay. How much?
Okay. Now we can pour it.
Now we need. No, don't do it yet.
I'm not.
Now we need.
It says to pour the water in there first.
I know. Then you gotta pour the water in a disposable cup. We're gonna do it in this one. And then, I don't know. Okay, now we need
1.5 ounces. 42.5 grams.
I don't know what a 5 would be. Would it be right?
I feel like you would need, I mean, more.
It'd be
than
right on
that.
top of the 4.
Okay, be careful. This makes me nervous, honestly. It says stir with the wooden stick.
You can't really mess it up. Hey, we can just save this piece of paper so we can use it. Just go and buy cornstarch.
Warning, if the cornstarch is not completely melted, you can add more water until it becomes a liquid.
I don't know if I'm supposed to pack it or not, but I did. Okay, then what do we do?
Pour it in here.
You have to do it gradually. Slowly mixing it, or start using your wooden mixing. Alright, mix some. Just keep mixing. Doing experiment.
I'm kind of
Okay, I
confused
did it
how
all
this
at
is going
once.
to be slime.
Okay.
They're trying to freeze it.
Once it's all mixed, 6 ounces. Just die, mixing, die.
It says 6 drops.
What do I say?
You said it? I
Yeah.
didn't hear you.
Who's running? Thanks for telling me that. Something smells burning.
It doesn't smell like it's burning.
Is it all mixed?
Yeah.
God dang it. I don't like it's mixed.
Oh, at least something was in there. Trinity burned the cookies from that week. I really should pile these up and try to eat them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you gotta stir it with
All my YouTube people are uploading videos today.
I'm getting the green it is.
But it's liquid. I don't understand how it becomes slime. Don't tell me this is the slime like Nickelodeon slime. Like, I want slime I can play with.
This one?
Yeah, we're doing the Alien Sneeze Glow slime. It's gonna be lit.
I gotta fill this whole thing up with glue.
That's how you know it's gonna be lit.
Like
It says half of this.
I like clean this cornstarch out.
So I don't know how we're gonna do half.
I
Scoop out half. Scoop it with the little spoon we got.
don't know if it'll fit in there.
I wonder what else we need this. Oh, the other half is the ooey gooey glow.
Which one are we doing?
We're doing the Alien Sneeze Glow. That one. Then it says half of this green sand. So hopefully it'll be like gooey gooey. Sugar cookie ones didn't burn.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay. Then we need glue. So we'll cut. I don't know what to use.
What?
To pour it in here.
You just pour it. Who cares? Ew. That last one was terrible. I'm mad at that one. I knew this was paint. I knew it.
So I'm just getting like. This is like
If we have a chemical explosion, I'm gonna die.
the meth lab.
This one just really made me mad. It's just water and
Watch
yeah.
the magic
You gotta add a
happen.
little glow now.
No, we don't.
Bet you do.
Okay, bet we're gonna see.
That one was already just cornstarch.
Bet. Just wait.
That one was already
Don't put anything in
cornstarch,
there. We're gonna
remember?
experiment. First, we're gonna see how it does to the cornstarch. And why would it tell us that? Put it in. I don't like that though.
Like what?
The glue.
Glue's what makes it like gooey.
Okay. Obviously, we did something wrong with this one.
I don't know what we
But this one's
did.
great.
The first one we did was literally just cornstarch and water and 6
Put
drops
more
of
glue
green
in
dye.
this. Put more glue in that. Running out. Okay, that's enough.
Ew, it kind of looks like. Okay, I'm gonna touch it. There's like neon paint poison on me. I'm so scared.
I was getting everywhere.
I feel like mine's just like.
Oh, I don't want to get on my other finger because it's going to be my ring.
Oh my god.
What?
What is that?
What?
Is that the top to something? I'm glad I just didn't dive into that because I would have shit myself.
What is that?
I don't know.
Look, wet it. Did you have a ring on?
No, I didn't wear a ring. It's plastic.
It was the glue.
I think it came off the glue.
It was squeezing so hard.
Oh my god. This is in there, y'all. I would have pooped myself if I didn't know that.
Just like if you quit touching it, it just like.
It's not even like.
And then it's just gonna go liquid.
Mine just feels like it feels like lotion.
Watch this, watch. Look how cool that is.
It's cool. It's not like I don't know. Yours is like goopy goopy. Mine's just like liquid goop.
That's what I wanted.
That's so weird. If I get like a rash, we get rashes.
Look at my finger.
Hey Riley.
Ew.
Ew. Come here. Come here.
Ew.
Come here.
Yeah.
Look at it. Oh, I think I got it in the floor. This is the mess we made, dear God. This is Kaylee slime everywhere. I told you there's cornstarch everywhere. It was all over that napkin over there. We should have a knife laying out in the middle.
You started with.
Wait, okay, we just got done. Are your hands stained? My hands just like, it's kind of green.
Yes.
Yours? It's kind of green. Tragic.
That's what I started with.
So now I'm about to read Kaylee's paper.
Then I was like, whoa, this is way too much. I started.
I hated her class so much. Literally the worst class I've ever. I look like I'm just got a shipwreck. Literally the worst class I've ever taken. Worst history teacher I've ever had.
History.
Oh shit. English.
Coach Campbell.
Coach Campbell is history. But no, seriously, worst English class I've ever had. She was a really bad teacher. Maybe it was because it was her first time teaching high school, but she was the worst teacher ever.
Oh yeah, she's in freaking 6th grade. Like, how do you expect?
Yeah, how do you come from 6th grade to 12th and like expect to not have problems? Like, I can't.
I didn't clean the house today, so if I don't get in trouble, I don't care if she gets mad. I'll probably clean it tonight.
I got nothing to do. That's kind of far. Kaylee's paper, and then probably nothing else. So, this is pkays signing off. What? I forget what my name was.
Mike's Mix.
I'm just gonna call myself Noot Poot Shithead on here.
Noot Poot Shithead.
Noot Poot Shithead signing off. And
everyone, whenever I show people your name, like some of your messages or something, or like your Snapchat, they were like, "Who's Noot Poot Shithead?" I'm like,
well, people. I feel like people don't even like know that. Like, I don't even know where I heard it from. Really,
I made up the Noot Poot Shithead.
I remember Noot Poot, but Noodle Poodle.
You made up Noodle Poodle. I said Noot Poot.
Noodle Poodle is what I made up for Cole. That was Cole's name.
And you just called Cole that, so I was like, I'll call Micah a Noot Poot.
Yeah.
And I added Shithead.
Noot Poot Shithead.
I think it's so funny. And Cole is
kind of it.
Cole Shithead.
There we go. Like, when we first started our vlog, we couldn't think of a name for me. Now, here we go. Noot Poot Shithead. Like, this is the beginning of something great. This is my bed behind me, in case you're wondering what construction's going on in my room. This is what I sleep on. Anyways.
Don't read out loud.
I'm not. We're signing off
It's personal.
right now. We're signing off right now. Noot Poot Shithead is out. pkays
Audi 5000.
Audi 10,000, baby. We need a good outro. I'll play some music.